Hello everyone, in this video I'll be discussing about ordered list in HTML, how we can create that. In the last video we talked about unordered list, which was a pretty good list, and we also saw that how we can actually nest that. So in ordered list everything is same, you just need to add a different tag for that. So earlier we were using UL tag, but now we'll be using OL tag, which stands for ordered list, and UL stands for unordered list. Now we can add OL tag. Inside that I can specify the items, just like the UL. I can specify the LIs in here. For example, the same one, I can specify mango here, and I can specify one more, let's say apple here. And if I do that, and if I refresh the page, so you can see we have this ordered list, and you can see the numbers are automatically assigned to it, or the default numerical numbers you can see here. We can also change that to something else if you want. So here also we have type attribute. Here I can specify A if I want that to start from the capital A or alphabets. So I can do that as well. I can type I here if I want the Roman counting instead of a normal counting. I also can change that to capital I, so the capital Roman will be there. You can see that. And also I can add small letter or small a. It will start the counting from small a. Similarly, we have the start attribute from which we can tell that where we want to start the number actually. So if we go and start the number from, let's say, capital I, which means Roman counting, and if I tell that to start from fourth position or fourth number, so it will start from the fourth number, not from the one. So you can see that it is starting the counting from the four, and the fifth one is this apple. Similarly, we can do this for the other ones as well, like the 1, 2, 3, which is the default one. So you can see that it is starting the number from the 4. So this is actually we add ordered list. Similarly, we can create ordered list in a nested format as well, just like the unordered list. So it is kind of similar to that. So I can create a nested ordered list as well in here as well. Like OL, I have to write the OL here inside the LI of mango, just like we did in the UL. Now we have this LI item I want to show in here. Let's say red mango. I can close that LI, and green mango, let's say. So that will be a nested ordered list now. So you can see that it is starting the number from 1 again because we haven't specified any attribute, just like we specified here. So I can also specify that if I want. So I can specify it from, let's say, Roman counting. So that will be in Roman counting here. So you can see that it is starting from 4 as well because we have this start number. I can make it less than 4, let's say. So that will be implemented. So this is actually we create order lists in HTML. I hope you got something. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.